Oh, look at all this dust on my lens. Oh, is there a photography accessory that could get all that off of there? Hi, I'm Barry from Photographer's Freedom. I simplify DSLR and mirrorless photography, helping you gain the freedom to capture nature with ease. There is a photography accessory that can help you remove dust from your lenses. It's called a lens blower. I have one right here. It's a simple design, just a rubber egg with a plastic tube attached to one end and a hole in the other end. When you squeeze the egg, air shoots out of the tube and blows onto whatever is in front of it. When you release the pressure, air sucks in through both ends, resetting it for another blow. The glass at the front of a lens is its window to the world. The light that helps you capture beautiful nature photography comes through that glass. If there is anything on the glass when you take a photo, that can show up in the final image. Not to mention, specks on your lens can turn into scratches or other damage if not removed. Lens blowers are designed for blowing dust off the surface of your camera lenses. They can be used for a variety of other things, and I'll talk about those later in the video. When you see a speck of dust on your lens, your first instinct might be to blow it off with your mouth. The problem with that is when you blow air out of your mouth, moisture and saliva come with it. This can leave more specks on the lens than you started with. Your next go-to solution might be to brush the dust off with your finger. This is worse than trying to blow it with your mouth. Your skin looks dry and clean, but it's oily. Whenever you touch something, you leave a fingerprint. Fingerprints on your lens can ruin your photos. Not only that, but to clean them off, you will need a cleaning solution and microfiber cloth. Keep watching, because later in the video I will tell you about a photography accessory that means you won't need a cleaning solution and microfiber cloth. A lens blower blows dry air. There is no more moisture in the air coming out of it than there is in the air around you. For removing small spots from a lens, there is nothing better. A few gentle blows is all it takes to remove dust spots from your lens. It does depend on how stuck the dust is. Sometimes you may notice spots that are not removed by the blower. Like there's a couple on here now. A lens blower is not just good for removing dust from your lenses. It's not merely a photography accessory at all. Let's look at some other ways you can use this simple product. This is another task the lens blower is designed for. Specks on the mirror or sensor show up in your photos and are very frustrating. You can fix this problem by removing the camera's lens, inverting the camera so the dust doesn't blow out and resettle inside there, and giving a few gentle blows up inside the camera body. A lens blower can help keep your camera's body clean too. It's great for removing dust from places that are hard to reach with a cleaning cloth. If you get SD card errors, sometimes you can solve them by blowing out the card slot with your lens blower. Simply removing the card and blowing gently into the slot a few times can remove dust that may have been causing the card to misread. We all know computer keyboards can get dusty. Your lens blower can take care of this. A good quality lens blower like this Lens Pen Hurricane blower will do a great job of removing dust and dirt from the keyboard. If, like me, you use hair clippers, a lens pen is great for blowing excess hair off the clippers when you're done. You can use a lens blower for all kinds of household jobs like this. If you find a lens blower is not doing the job, this product is your next go-to solution. This is a lens pen. It has a dust removal brush at one end and a cleaning element at the other that's covered with an invisible carbon compound. The brush removes any stubborn spots your lens blower fails to remove, and the carbon infused cleaning element removes fingerprints, oils, and other stains. I've used lens pens for years. They do a fantastic job of cleaning lenses. They last a long time and they fit in your pocket. There are links in the video description to Amazon and other retailers where you can purchase lens pens and lens blowers. I've included different price options. Lens pens are kind of a one price fits all, but there are different quality lens blowers. To learn more about how to clean a lens using a lens pen, watch this video. I take you through the process and give you hints and tips for using lens pens. And you also get to see how amazingly clean they make your lenses. Until next time, I'm Barry from Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots. I will see you soon.